In this session, let us learn about HTML table sizes. HTML table sizes. HTML tables can have different sizes for each column, row, or the entire table. Use the style attributes with the width or height properties to specify the size of a table, row, or column. To set the width of table, add the style attributes to the table element. Set the width of the table 100%. See the code and result. Now we are using width 100%, one piece solid black, and collapse property. See the code what I have written here, and the result returns this 100% width HTML table. See Deepanvi Cherry 18, first name last name is. Using a percentage as the size unit of the width means how wide will this element be compared to the parent element, which in this case is the body element. Okay. HTML table column width. To set the size of specific column, add the style attributes on the th or td element. See here, now we are using th and td element with 70%. See width 100%, th or td element we are using 70%. See here, one pixel solid black, border collapse. See, set the first column to 70% of the table width. Table is 100% and the width is 70%. See, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this. Set the first column to 70% of table width. See here, this more space is generated. First name, last name. HTML row height. To set the height of a specific row and the style attribute on a table row element, set the height of the second row to 200 pixels. See, now we are using 200 pixels here, height here. Same as above, but we are changing tier height. See here, set the height of second row to 200 pixels, width 100%, style height is equal to 200%. See, by writing and executing this code, see Deepan with the block, the first block was increased. It's given more space here. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 26 table sizes. In next video, let us learn about another topic, table headers.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.